Hey, this is Art with OCRV, Yorba Linda. You guys by now probably know that we specialize in Sprinter vans, heavy collision work, anything large. We don't do regular vehicles, but here's a couple Sprinter vans. This one's torn down for an insurance quote, and it's got a little bit of chassis damage, not bad. We put it on the alignment bench and get it back in spec, and then start working the sheet metal and getting it ready for paint. This one's already been on the chassis machine and squared up and has new sheet metal on it, you can tell. So now we're just waiting for a little supplement from the insurance company to finish the mechanical workup before we roll it in and start the paint process on it. We'll catch you up on that. So if you need any high roof, Sprinter repair, heavy duty vehicles, RVs, motorhomes, please come see us at OCRV in Yorba Linda.